All right, here we go. And we're going to go slowly because that's the icy part right there. So let's get back in this. Our right foot is just sliding along the ice. There we go. That is super duper slick right there, buddy. Let me tell you. Hopefully that gets us past the big parts. I think it does. Oh, this may not work. Ah, shucks. Well, let's see how lucky we are. We'll go where the dirtiest part is. Maybe we got enough grip to get us up. Yeah, we made it. Very nice. Okay, so again, today we are riding down to Walmart to pick up the last minute groceries before everything shuts down for Christmas. And we are going to do a proper Delkevic exhaust test on the roads that I have ridden before without the exhaust. So now it will be an actual apples to apples comparison. I've been wanting to do this for a while. So pretty excited. There's no snow on the roads. Everything's good there. And here we go. We do have a lot of wind today, that's for sure. Okay, that's a lot of wind. Way more than I thought. This is the spot that I made it up to 80 one time. Not today. Too much north wind. I'm excited about the exhaust, whether it makes me faster or not. It is so much beefier sounding. I love it. Hopefully everybody has a good Christmas tomorrow, holidays, New Year, whatever it is you celebrate. I've got the kids in town, folks are in town. It's nice. Ah, there's a flag. That tells you about 12 to 15 knots. We are headed to Cortez, hanging a left. So we've gone through Dolores before on the way up to the Boggy Draw trail. That's where I actually rode in quite a bit of snowy roads. How does that sound over the stock exhaust? It's better. That was the second UPS truck we saw. Trying to get those last minute gifts out. Sleeping Ute Mountain. Southwest Colorado. That's it right there. We watched the movie Silverado last night. It was filmed just south of here. And a lot of that terrain looked just like the terrain that we were kind of riding around in on my little dirt bike track. So if you really want an exhaust that just makes your bike sound a lot better, I can highly recommend the Delkevic, without a doubt. Not really sure if there's any super tangible performance gains. Supposedly going to help overall engine efficiency, being able to breathe better. More free-flowing exhaust. It is a bit chilly out here. The speedometer says it's 57. I don't think I believe that. The back deck said it was right at 40 when I left. Gotta love people that don't go the speed limit on the highway, but when they're in town where there's actually people, they speed. Love that. The town of Cortez. Have we ridden? I don't think we've ridden through Cortez before. Yeah, so this is just the north side of it. Neat little town. Farming, ranching. We've got Southern Ute tribe just outside of town. Got the Navajo Nation just south of that. And here we are, the old Wally. Oh yeah, you hear that exhaust? You can hear it a lot better at lower speeds. It sounds really nice. I like it. I think the few little things that I've done have smoothed out some of the choppy spots in the torque band. I think that the throttle response has been improved, you know? So, and once I get the cam actually installed, we'll be good to go. Wow, got a lot of people standing here. All right, here we go. Got the groceries, got a gallon of milk, 5 pounds of oranges, a big pack of paper plates, and about 12 canned goods in the saddlebags. No problem. So let's see how this thing rides loaded down. All right, here we go. And there's Cortez. And we are heading out. Heading north. The power pulsing. Got a pretty strong north wind going. Well, we're maintaining the speed limit. All good. If I didn't have this north wind about knocking me off the road, then I can't even imagine what it would be like. You can see the flag up there. What is that? 8 knots. Oh, 65. Gotta slow down just a little bit. So now that we're not going due north, it'll give me a little better feeling of how the exhaust feels. I know that when I get on it, I can hear it, so it sounds like more is happening. I feel like it's true to an extent. You know, somebody said that they had to relocate their temperature gauge, the thermostat, for the outside temp away from the engine, and I didn't actually understand what they were talking about until today. It is definitely not 60 degrees out here. Cruising along at 70 miles per hour. Very nice. The bike really handles well. The only thing that's a little squirrely and different for me is that 21-inch front wheel. It's just different. But even with all of this wind, it holds pretty steady. That hill that we just went on was one that I definitely used to have to downshift on. And I definitely do not have the wind at my back. It's blowing directly across me. We are heading almost due east right now. I think I actually did have a 21-inch pretty skinny front wheel on a wide glide that I had at one time. That was probably 6 years ago, something like that. Maybe 7. It's a little different as well. The mud hasn't frozen back yet. That's good. Okay, this was the sketchy part. So we're just gonna go slow. Pretty dirty snow, so gives you a little more traction. Okay, no problem there. By the way, I did order some Pirelli MT21 tires for this thing. They're pretty aggressive. For the stuff that I'm doing, they're gonna be awesome. One of them already shipped. I think the other one ships 3 to 5 days, so pretty darn excited about that. Can't wait to get those on and try them out, even in some snow. Let's see how we do. Oh, little slip there. My little field test of probably heavier stuff than I would ever carry on a trail. Tried to evenly distribute the weight. Not the lightest weight stuff, not the heaviest stuff either, but everything worked great. So, nice little test.